So I'm going to be honest. I think one of the biggest reasons so many women struggle to stay consistent in fitness is because the routines they're trying to follow are completely unrealistic for their actual lives. Somewhere along the way, fitness became associated with spending hours in the gym. This includes doing intense workouts every single day, waking up at 4 a.m., perfectly meal prepping every meal, and basically making fitness your entire personality and identity. And if we're being real, for most of us busy women, that is just not sustainable. Especially if you work full time, if you run a business, if you have kids, you commute, travel, deal with stress on a regular, or honestly just want more balance in your life. It's not sustainable. So, if you've been feeling like you're failing because you can't maintain these 2 hour gym sessions every day, or even an hour and a half, this video is for you. Most women don't struggle because they lack motivation. We struggle often because the plan that we're following doesn't fit our lifestyle, and I see this all the time as a coach. Women start super motivated, they try to completely overhaul their lives overnight. They're in the gym 6 days a week, doing cardio twice a day, tracking every calorie perfectly, even trying to eat clean, quote unquote, 24/7. And for maybe a week or two, they can maintain it, but eventually life catches up. Work gets stressful, we get tired, our schedule changes, our hormones fluctuate, our energy drops, and suddenly the routine becomes impossible to maintain. That is why I'm such a huge believer in realistic structure, because consistency matters more than intensity you can't maintain. And honestly, social media can make it worse because we constantly see highlight reels of people whose entire lives revolve around fitness. But the average woman doesn't need to train like a fitness influencer or a professional athlete to see incredible changes in her body. For most women, 45 minutes to maybe an hour of intentional training is more than enough to build strength, improve body composition, increase your confidence, and see physical changes. The key word is intentional. It's not just about being in the gym for a long time, but being intentional with your workout. Because there's a huge difference between being active for 2 hours and actually training effectively. I need the girls to know that a focused 45-minute strength workout with proper intensity, progression, and recovery will outperform random marathon workouts every single time. A lot of women also underestimate how much stress impacts results. If you're constantly exhausted, under-recovered, under-eating, overwhelmed, and forcing yourself through long workouts you hate, your body does feel that. More is not always better, sister. Sometimes the best thing you could do is create a routine you can repeat consistently for months instead of destroying yourself for 2 weeks. The women who see the best long-term transformations usually are not the women doing the craziest workouts. They're the women who stay consistent. That's it. Consistency with strength training, protein intake, movement, sleep, hydration, and overall habits. Over time, those small habits do compound. And one thing I really focus on with my clients is progressive overload. What is progressive overload? This is pretty much just gradually getting stronger over time, but it's about how you do it. That could look like increasing your weights, improving form, increasing your reps, improving your endurance, improving your control with exercises. All of those things are considered progressive overload. Your body responds to progression, not punishment. You do not need to leave every workout completely exhausted for it to be effective. And honestly, I think a lot of women would enjoy fitness more if they stopped treating every workout like they needed to burn off food or suffer to earn results. Busy women need systems, not motivation. We need sustainable systems. That has really been like my favorite word lately, systems, because honestly, this is exactly why I structure my programs the way that I do. Because I coach real women with real schedules, I'm talking about women balancing careers, entrepreneurship, motherhood, relationships, stress, overall responsibilities. My goal has never been to create the most extreme fitness plan possible. My goal is to simply help women build routines that they can actually maintain. That is why inside my challenge programs and coaching, I focus heavily on structure, accountability, realistic nutrition, strength training, step goals, sustainability, and progression, because sustainable routines create sustainable results. I want you to know that fitness should support your life, not consume it. And that, I think, is the mindset shift that changes everything. So if you've been feeling discouraged because you can't maintain these unrealistic online fitness routines, I really want you to understand. You probably do not need more punishment. You probably need more structure. You probably need a plan that fits your real life. You probably need support, accountability, and realistic expectations. Because the women who truly transform their bodies long term are usually not the women chasing extremes. They're the women who stay consistent long enough to see the results compound. And that is exactly the type of environment I strive to create inside my coaching programs and my challenges. A realistic approach for busy women who still want results. These are women who want to build strength, feel confident, improve their routines, stay accountable, create sustainable habits without spending their entire lives in the gym. That is what we strive for. If that sounds like the type of support you've been needing, I'll have my challenge program and coaching information linked below. And if this video helped shift your perspective around fitness and consistency, make sure you subscribe, because we're building a healthier, stronger, more realistic approach to wellness over here. If you like this type of content, be sure to like the video, leave a comment if you found anything you could relate to inside this video, and again, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.